Hi there, my name is Joost Hermans and I'm the co-founder of Apolix. Apolix is a consultancy firm specialized in process optimization, and we do this with process mining. This is a video in a web series in which we take a look at various use cases for process mining at different departments. The last two videos were about the finance department, and today we're going to cover manufacturing. More specifically, we're going to take a look at the adherence to schedule in your production process. Are your products being produced on time, too early, or too late? And what are the effects of these? First, we're going to identify cases that are produced too early. We're going to find root causes why this happens. Then, we're going to take measures to prevent the too early production from happening again. And lastly, I'm going to show you how you can get started with process mining with Apolix. So let's get started with identifying the adherence to schedule. Here we see the production process in a Celonis dashboard. And keep in mind that everything we see is all based on data. The data we export from the IT system into the Celonis environment. And what's particularly interesting about this dashboard is you can see both the process flow on the left hand side and also the adherence to schedule over time. And this shows the biggest problem of this process. Over 30% of cases are being produced too late. And on the other hand, over 18,000 cases have been produced too early, out of 93,000 cases. This means that your product is produced too early and has to be stored somewhere before it can be sent to the customer. And when we talk about 18,000 cases over 10 months, that means that you have a lot of storage costs. We can see that normally it takes 4 days from when the product is completed to be sent to the storage location. When we filter on the products that have been completed too early, we see that this is 9 days on average. This means that you store these products 5 days extra. That makes clear how big of a problem this is. The beauty of Celonis is that we can really quickly turn this problem, find the root causes of this problem. If we go to our conformance sheet, we can select on the production order completed too early. Here we see that on average this process takes 5 days longer than a normal one. Which are those 5 days you have to wait, the products have to wait in storage. Then we're able to also perform a root cause analysis. And this shows us that relatively most of these violations come from the Chicago production plant. But moreover, also the planner group 007 is responsible for many of these violations. So now we know the root causes of our major problem in our process. We also want to act on this, and that's the step further we can take with Celonis. We go to the action engine. In the action engine, we created a list of production orders that have not yet been produced, but are very likely to be produced too early, based on the root causes we found in our analysis. If we take a look at this specific one, we can see that these brakes are going to be produced in Chicago and are planned by planner group 007. Based on this information, we know enough that we want to take action to prevent this early production from happening and save costs in the end. So from within the Celonis action engine, we can actually send the email personalized to the planner group and make sure that they can take a look and plan this properly, making our process more efficient and less costly. So, in this video, we've seen that it's very easy to identify the non-adherence to schedule with process mining. Also, we can find the root causes of this big problem very quickly after we've entered the data. But most importantly, we are able to take actions to prevent the non-adherence to schedule from happening again and actually save a lot of money with that. So, now you're fully sold on process mining. Why would you do it with Apolix? Well, there's a very simple reason for that. At Apolix, we have something we call the perfect formula, and it consists of 2 ingredients. First, we're specialized. We're one of the few consultancy agencies in the Netherlands fully specialized in process mining. Also, with our background in business, we look further than the data and also take the human aspect into account. We separate ourselves from the big consultancy firms with our personal attention and care to reach your goals. The second ingredient is that we're young and dynamic. This means that we are flexible and result-driven. We don't like to sell bullshit, we like to sell results. So, don't hesitate to reach out to one of us or go to our website www.apolix.nl to request a free demo for you and your colleagues. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.